Welcome back, dear students. Today we will discuss HCF and LCM. So in this module we are to discuss multiples. So first question is, what are multiples? Multiple is a number which can be divided by another number without a remainder. For example, if we divide 32 by 4, then we are getting 8. And if we divide 32 by 8, then we are getting 4. In both the cases, the remainder is 0. Now here, see that 5 into 1 is 5, 5 into 2 is 10, 5 into 3 is 15. So 5, 10, 15, these all are multiples of 5. Now here you can see that 3 multiply 5 is 15, where 3 and 5 are factors of 15 and 15 is multiple of 3 and 5 both. So in the same way, 5 into 4 is 20. So 5 and 4 are factors of 20 and 20 is multiple for both 5 and 4. Now we'll discuss LCM. And dear students, the full form of LCM is least common multiple. We will discuss the methods to find LCM by different methods. So first of all, let us use multiple methods. So LCM of 4 and 9, multiples of 9 are 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, etc. And multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40 and 44. And now which number is common in the list of multiples of 9 and 4? That is 36. So 36 is the LCM of 4 and 9, means least common multiple of 4 and 9. And now we'll discuss method to find LCM by prime factorization method. Let's find the LCM of 4 and 9 again. So find the prime factorization of each number. Then find the product of all the prime factors. So like 4 is having prime factors 2 and 2 and 9 is having prime factors 3 and 3. So nothing is common in the prime factors of 4 and 9. So LCM will be the product of all the prime factors. So answer is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 means 36. So LCM is 36. And now method to find LCM by division method. Let's find LCM of 510 and 92. So when we will divide 510 and 92 by 2, because 2 is a prime number, so we are getting 255 and 46. Then again divide it by 2. It is not possible. So LCM is 2 into 255 into 46. And that is equal to 23,460. So this is the LCM of 510 and 92. And now find the LCM of 20, 25 and 30 by division method. So in this method also we are to divide all these three numbers by 2. So dividing by 2 we are getting 10, 25 and 15 respectively. And in the same way, the prime factors of 20, 25 and 30 are 2, 2, 3, 5 and 5. So product of all these prime factors is the LCM. So when we multiply 2, 2, 3, 5 and 5, we are getting 300. So 300 is the LCM of all these three numbers. Now there is also some relation between HCF and LCM. And what is that? The product of highest common factor and lowest common multiple of two numbers is equal to the product of two numbers. And now let's solve one question based on this property. The HCF of two numbers is 12 and their LCM is 72. If one of the number is 24, then find the other number. So let the required number is x, and we know that HCF into LCM is product of numbers. So put all the values. So 12 into 72 is equal to 24 into x, and on shifting the numbers we get x is equal to 12 into 72 upon 24, which gives us 36. So other number will be 36.